Look, if I help him, he's promised to erase my memories, and those voices in my head will be gone. I'm pathetic? You can't even talk about your patterns.
You want me to swap my patterns? I hate them, just like I hate all demons, or I hate Prima.
If hate could defeat Kimo, I would have done it a long time ago. Trust me.
Excuse me, Mr. Jinu. I made this for you.
Maybe listen to those voices instead of the ones in your head.